Hey guys, are you looking to merge your social media with an overall marketing strategy seamlessly? In this short video, we will touch on how to merge the two. Oh, by the way, please don't forget to send me a message and I'll get you access to an integration blueprint to create a cohesive and impactful marketing approach. My name is Gerald, your digital marketing strategist. I share practical tips and creative ideas you can implement right away in your business after watching my videos. Let's get started. The first and foremost step in integrating social media with your overall marketing strategy is goal alignment. It's not just about setting social media goals, it's about ensuring that these goals are in sync with your overall marketing objectives. For example, if your overall marketing goal is to increase brand awareness, your social media strategy could involve creating viral content or leveraging influencers. Or if your goal is for lead generation, using targeted ads on Facebook or LinkedIn might be part of your strategy as well. Remember, ensure your social media efforts are geared towards achieving your overall business objectives, creating a unified marketing approach that works like a well-oiled machine towards your business growth. Our second focus point is cohesive branding. An impactful branding strategy is consistent and uniform across all marketing channels. This consistency should be extended to all your social media platforms. From your choice of logos, your brand colors, to your brand voice, ensure that every element reflects your brand identity. Consistency is key here. It doesn't just enhance your brand recognition, it also creates an immersive and seamless experience for your audience across the platforms. Think about it. Whether a customer sees your advertisement on a billboard, receives an email newsletter, or scrolls through Instagram, they should be able to immediately recognize your brand. Consistent branding is key to staying top of mind with your audience. Strategic audience targeting is a critical component of seamlessly merging social media with your marketing efforts. To maximize the impact of your social media strategy, it's important to identify and target the right audience for your business. So, conduct thorough research to understand your demographics, the interests and behaviors of your target audience across all social media platforms. By gaining the insights into their preferences, online habits, you can tailor your message and content specifically to resonate with them. Use audience targeting features available on the social media platforms such as Facebook Ads Manager or LinkedIn Audience Insights to reach your desired audience segments effectively. By strategically targeting your audience, you ensure that your social media efforts are reaching the right people with the right message at the right time, driving higher engagement, conversions, and business growth. And my final point is content integration. Treat social media as an integral part of your content strategy rather than a separate entity. Utilize social media platforms to bolster and promote your existing marketing content while also offering unique value. Do you have an informative blog post? Share a snippet on LinkedIn with a call to action to read more on your website. Are you hosting a webinar? Promote it on Twitter with an engaging question and a registration link. Are you launching a new product? Tease it on Instagram with a sneak peek and countdown. But remember, this works both ways. Encourage your audience on traditional platforms to follow you on social media for exclusive updates, behind-the-scenes content, or interactive experiences. This type of approach allows you to take advantage of each platform's strength while ensuring that your content strategy is holistic, cohesive, and comprehensive. Well, I hope that helps. Don't forget to send me a message and I'll get you access to the integration blueprint to create a cohesive and impactful marketing approach. Peace, love, stay awesome. Catch you guys on the next one.